Hi, thanks for watching my video. This video is about bedroom designs for kids. In this video, you will find different kind of superhero bedroom decoration ideas for your kids. Purpose of making this video is to give you the idea so you could select any theme for your kids' room. Start by choosing a superhero theme for the room. This could be anything from a favorite superhero to a group of superheroes. Once you have a theme, you can use it as a guide for selecting furniture, bedding, and decor. Superheroes are often associated with specific colors like red and blue for Superman or red and black for Spider-Man. Consider using these colors in the room to create a cohesive look. There are plenty of superhero themes decorate items available, like posters, wall decals, and action figures. Use these to add fun touches to the room and bring the superhero theme to life. Kids love to imagine themselves as superheroes, so create a space in the room where they can play and imagine. This could be a tent or teepee, a playhouse, or even just a designated corner of the room with superhero toys and costumes. To keep the room organized and clutter-free, consider incorporating superhero themed storage solutions. This could be anything from a toy box with superhero decals to a bookshelf with superhero bookends. Overall, decorating a kid's superhero room should be fun and imaginative. Use these tips and ideas to create a space that your child will love and that will inspire their inner superhero. Start by choosing a theme for the room. This could be anything from a favorite color to a favorite cartoon character or hobby. Once you have a theme, you can use it as a guide for selecting furniture, bedding, and decor. Kids love bright colors, so consider using them in the room. You can plant the walls bright color or use colorful bedding and decor to add pops of color. Make sure the room is functional for your child's needs. This means having plenty of storage for toys and clothes, a desk for homework or crafts, and a comfortable bed for sleeping. Kids love fun and whimsical decor, so don't be afraid to add some playful touches to the room. This could be anything from a colorful rug to wall decals or a fun light texture. Finally, let your child help with the decorating process. This will help them feel more invested in the room and give them a sense of ownership over their space. Ask for their input on color choices, decor, and furniture, and let them help with the painting or hanging of decorations. So we do hope from this video you already have selected your favorite superhero character to decorate the room for your child. And at the end of this video, we would like to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel. Your support always needed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.